for you. Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
It's 7 in the morning, ready to go. Nothing really open for breakfast, or if it is, there are a few takers. Maybe the clientele are still in bed. Maybe they've all left. No idea. There are your choices. A footbridge or a road bridge. This is how you get to the rickety old footbridge. Let's see. Not the nicest entrance. Ow, 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 ow. Woo. It's a bit bouncy. A short uphill to get out of the river valley. Bit of a tease. You think that's the top? We'll see. Nah, just less trees. But it's fairly flat, to be fair. Coming through the tree arbour. Still thinks it's an alternate route, even though everybody is on it. We must be close to some buildings, because there's a cat in the middle of a field. A host of ambling peregrinos. A whole section of walking by the road. Past the fertiliser factory. Take you to all the good places. Okay, I'm confused. Back into a tiny wooded section, a long stream of people. You're not going to be alone on this trail. Another guard doggy type dog just hanging around. From a distance I thought this was wood, but this is all sort of slate type rock creating a fence. Having missed the previous cafe, this looks like a mirage. Let's see if it's open. It says it is. I think we're just coming through a farmyard really rather than the village. But this one's got a rather fine specimen. You don't see a cafe for 8 kilometres and you get 3 within 500 metres. And a statutory dog. One of the few things you can see, you can sort of see the concentric rings just because there are mounded pieces. But let's see if there's something a bit more open when we get here. Some ancient walls near the top. Oh, the normal peregrinos miss out on this. This is what we have. Walking up one of the inner circles. There you go. The peregrinos on their path. Good morning, day 29. Bit of an overcast day again today, which is fine, just means it's not boiling. Yesterday, yeah, shortest amble into Porto Marin. Had a private room, that was fine. It's got a lovely main street which is pedestrianised. And then this morning we went out via the footbridge. Nobody else tried it. A bit bouncy, but nothing wrong with it. And now we've got a 24-mile amble into the next big town. But let's see where the day takes us. A human river. Just a quick ad. The week 28 video was bounced because as I walked into a village and walked up to a bar, apparently it was playing some Shakira music and it got copyrighted. So I just pulled that bit of video, reloaded it, all done. But go figure, I wasn't playing anything. One assumes the bar has a license to play music, but shows you the depth they go to in analysing what's in your video. You learn every day. Another tiny farm set up where most of the buildings look derelict, and we just walk through. So we walk through this village, back of the village, mainly farm buildings, nothing there. Then what looks like a fairly fancy old burg. It's got a swimming pool on one side, and on the other side, another albergue with a seating and eating area. Second breakfast, obviously. So this was a cafe at a road junction. So just going over and through to the left there. Yay. 79.9. Ooh, a confession. It's 5 minutes past 10 and we've stopped twice for 2 coffees and a pastry. I suppose it's allowed. He's carrying the little baby. Still walking with the little one. And the herd is all following. So we've got this little one and the whole herd is following, including his wife and the dogs. Into the next village, although I've no idea what the village is. It's a farm traffic jam. This is more like it. First 8k there wasn't a great deal, but now every couple of kilometres we're getting another place to eat or an albergue to stay, which is really what I'd expect on this section.
El que tiene la llave. Pierde el que tiene la llave, ¿no?
No, yo no soy Pedro.
¿Eh?
We've had a whole load of pine. Now we've got eucalyptus everywhere. Well, just check, but we think these are young eucalyptus trees. More chances to sit and eat. The ultimate PCT hang. They do like their roses. Tiny little lamb on the corner. Little family of geese. A well-worn shortcut between two fields, but you come out on the road again. A different type of guard dog, a little bit low to the ground. Your Game of Thrones moment, although that's in Northern Ireland. When you look into the distance, it's not looking very friendly. The ponchos have come out. We're tanked up for a quick shower. Not many cyclists going the other way at all. As close as I'm going to get. 70 kilometers to go. Well, for the last 2 kilometers, we're just getting moments of sunshine and moments of rain. So I have my waterproofs on, which I need, and then all of a sudden the sun comes out. We're definitely coming into Palais de Ré municipal football pitches through the park. So, and here we are. Downstairs, the shoes, the washing. What a beautiful view south of the town.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.